Eaton Park Receiving Attention project recently developed by Gamuda Land from Malaysia, with more than 25 years of experience in real estate. The location Eaton Park is the center of District 2. Right next to the sport complex, Saigon Sport City, the global city, the project is near major commercial center and international university. The project is designed for 6 buildings from 29 and 39 floors. Full handover of the last floor. There are 10 apartments on the floor, including 5 elevators. There are many trees planted around, especially space for beds. The project opening for sale in the first price, nearly $5,000. Payment progress is low unit 2027, 6 months by 5%. Customer can immediately sign the sale contract when you pay in 5%. In August, the Eaton Park will accept booking for Tower A1 and A2. If you are interested in apartment, please contact for information about it. Thank you.